Hey everyone, Andrew Purdom here, and today I want to show you this absolutely crazy trick that you can use to increase your profits through your email marketing. So I'm going to teach you a strategy that if you implement it, it's going to significantly increase the profits using automation. So a lot of you guys, you understand the principles of retargeting and remarketing, and you're very familiar with how Facebook does it, where if you watch a video to a certain percent, or you click on a link, or you take an action on a website, you can send out another Facebook ad that follows up with them. So let's say you're a chiropractor here. An example there would be you see an ad that says, hey, I'm Dr. Blah, blah, blah from Lancaster, and I'm offering you a $21 exam, massage, and x-ray, and you click on the ad, but you don't sign up. Well, with Facebook's system, you can then show them another ad saying, hey, we saw that you were checking out our offer, but you didn't sign up yet. Here's a chance to go sign up again. You give them reasons why. Well, not a lot of people know that you can do the exact same thing with email and text message marketing. And for this example, I use ActiveCampaign, so that's what I'm going to teach you to do as well. But this is just one of my affiliate marketing lists right here, and I've got a lot of people in it. But I don't really do this for affiliate marketing as much because these are just straight sequences. But what we could do is we could apply the exact same principles. So this here is an introductory sequence to Spencer Meckham's affiliate marketing course. And this one particular email, it's telling users to go watch a YouTube video and discover how affiliate marketing could work for them. So let's say that people click on that link and they go and watch the YouTube video. Well, what we can do then is we can put a modifier on here, and we can say, all right, well, this is an if else sequence. So if certain actions, I can't remember where it is, has clicked on a link, there we go, in this campaign with that particular video, so this is Spencer 1, and yes, so they went ahead and they watched it. If so, and then we'll just click add. Hope this doesn't mess it up. Yes. Okay, so if that happens, then they will be put down this sequence, and if they don't, then we can put them down a different sequence. So we could add another email in this line saying, hey, we saw that you did it. Thank you so much, and click here to go take your next steps. So what this literally does is this creates a custom branch, and we could keep doing this and retargeting people based on the exact actions that they're going to take. And just using this simple method, you could see how this would be really creative. So let's say again, using the chiropractic example, let's say that this is an email right here that's promoting a brand new service. Let's say you added a massage therapist into your mix at your chiropractic office, and you could put out an email saying, hey, we just want to let you guys know that we're offering a brand new deal to promote our massage therapy services for a limited time. You're going to get a 30-minute massage for only, I don't know, $40. I don't know what it normally goes. Click here to go sign up. And people go and they click through, and the system's going to be able to see that. And if they did, it's going to send out an email saying, hey, thank you so much for clicking through. We just wanted to confirm that this date and this time it's going to work well for you. So if you haven't confirmed your date and time, click here to go do so. And we can send them down this line. Or if they hadn't actually clicked through, we can send them another custom email that talks about why you should click through and why you should go and sign up. And by implementing sequences like this, you can personalize people based on the exact actions that they take. So that's my tip for the day, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.